P5 Bg, and today I will be telling you guys a story. Have you guys ever heard of the story called Hare and the Tortoise? Well, what I know is that it is an interesting story. If you have never heard of it, I hope you listen and enjoy this video. One day, Hare was boasting about how fast he could run. As it happens, it turns out that Tortoise was actually passing by Hare's house. Hare was laughing at Tortoise for being so slow.
Ha ha ha! Look at you compared to me. I am so much faster than you. Meanwhile, you are so slow. So slow that you are probably the slowest thing in the world. I feel bad for you. I bet you are so jealous of me.
You know, Hare, maybe you shouldn't be so selfish. It's all about hard work and dedication.
Huh? What kind of saying is that? I know that you're just upset that I'm right.
Enough. I want to have a race, a running race, right now. I want to prove my point. Much to Hare's surprise, Tortoise challenged him to a race. Hare thought that this was just a good joke and accepted the challenge. The lion was to be the umpire of the race. Soon, all the animals in the forest gathered near Hare's house to witness this event. Alright, get ready, contestants. As I count to 3, the race shall begin and you will start to compete. Well, let's not wait any longer. The race will start in 1, 2, 3, and roared as a signal of the beginning of the race. As the race began, Hare raced way ahead of Tortoise, just like everybody thought.
Haha, it is already obvious. Tortoise should just give up now. Everybody and even I know that I will win.
Hare got to the halfway point and could not see Tortoise anywhere. He thought that he was still going to win, no matter what. Tortoise, however, did not lose hope and kept going. But there was a big distraction for Hare. Hare passed by his house and thought about the delicious pie that he had baked earlier. He was also hot and tired, so he decided to go in his house and take a little break. He took out the delicious pie from his freezer and ate it. But even a bigger distraction came along. His favorite TV show played on his TV. Forgetting about the race, he watched the show while eating his pie, not even noticing that Tortoise passed his house. Tortoise also did not notice that Hare was in his house, since they were both heavily distracted by their two completely different goals. Hare finished the pie and was very full. He was sleepy and decided to sleep, forgetting about the race. A few minutes later, Tortoise could see the finish line waiting in front of him. In confusion, he did not see Hare anywhere. But knowing that he was going to win, he got his hopes up and kept going. Ooh, they are all waiting for me. I should get going, and Hare will finally learn his lesson. After plenty of steps, Tortoise has crossed the finish line and has been officially announced as the winner of the race. And here it is, the winner of the race, Tortoise. I do not see Hare any close to the finish line, so we must say that Tortoise won this race, fair and square. Lion and roar, that's the signal to end the race. The lion's loud and echoing roar woke Hare up. Knowing that it was a signal, Hare sprinted at maximum speed to the finish line, but all the other animals and Tortoise was already waiting for him. Realizing that he lost, he then understood what Tortoise meant earlier.
Hey, you were right, Tortoise. It really is about hard work and dedication. I apologize for what I said earlier. I never should have been so selfish, or even underestimate you. Do you think you can forgive me?
It's fine here. The good thing is that you already learned your lesson. Lion then walked up to Tortoise and gave him 3 bunches of bananas as the prize of winning the race. Hare then walked away slowly from the event, regretting what he did earlier. The end. And now, the moral to take from this story is to never underestimate your weakest opponent and to never give up. Thank you for watching.